Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Fundbox as a plugin for accounting tools. Did you know Fundbox works seamlessly with top accounting tools like QuickBooks, FreshBooks, and Xero? In this guide, I'm going to show you how to connect and use Fundbox as a plugin to streamline your cash flow. First step is to log into your accounting software. So head to your preferred tool, could be QuickBooks, Xero, or FreshBooks. Next, navigate to the apps marketplace. For QuickBooks, go to apps and find apps. For Xero, you're going to visit app stores inside the dashboard. But for FreshBooks, just check add-ons. Next is to search for Fundbox. Now locate the official Fundbox app or plugin and click install or connect. Next is to authorize the connection. Log into your Fundbox account when prompted. Grant permission for the accounting tool to access your financial data. Next, synchronize your invoices and data. Fundbox will now synchronize with your books, especially your receivables. It reads invoice due dates, client profiles, and of course transaction history. Next is to get pre-approved financing. Fundbox uses your accounting data to evaluate your credit line eligibility. You're going to start seeing credit offers from within your accounting dashboard. Next is to draw funds directly. Now, if you need to improve cash flow, you can draw funds against outstanding invoices. The repayment schedule appears in your Fundbox dashboard, synchronized with the accounting platform. Next is to track everything automatically. Fundbox plugin keeps your books updated, draws, repayments, and of course available credits. Plugging Fundbox into your accounting tool is one of the easiest ways to simplify your finances. You get fast capital decisions without leaving your software environment. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.